Do you know great photos isn't just about the camera? There are some essential retouching gears you need to get as a retoucher in order to get stunning photos. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the different essential tools you need in order to improve your workflow and get amazing results. Let's get started. As a beginner, you need to have a good laptop or desktop. The importance of this cannot be overemphasized. When getting a laptop, you should check out for some specifications. You should check out for a laptop that has a good storage device, an SSD preferably, a 16 gig or above laptop, a laptop with a dedicated graphics card, a Core i7 or higher version laptop. This will help to ensure smooth performance while editing images. Another essential tool you should look out for is the graphics tablets. The graphics tablet gives you better control when working on frequency separation, dodge and burn, and other editing techniques. It is way better than using a mouse. There are different brands out there you can check out. There's the Wacom, there's the SP Pen, and lots of them. So you can just check them out and get the one that's affordable or within your budget. The third on the list is a color accurate monitor. When getting a system, ensure you get one that has a full HD or 4K display resolution. Also get one that has an IPS panel type. Getting a color accurate monitor will ensure your edits remain professional and consistent across various screens. The next gear is a calibration tool. The calibration tool helps to color correct. A calibration device ensures your monitor displays colors correctly, essentially for accurate skin tones and color grading. The fifth on the list are essential retouching softwares. Softwares such as Photoshop, Lightroom, Capture One. All you have to do is ensure you master how to use these softwares in order to get stunning images. Another essential thing to get as a retoucher is a comfortable workspace, a good chair, a working table, and a good environment. This will help improve or increase your productivity and posture. Last on my list is learning resources. As a retoucher hoping to improve, there is need for you to take courses, attend workshops where you learn new tricks that will improve your retouching. You can also follow YouTube channels such as this so as to learn more about retouching. So those are some of the must-have tools for retouching. Which of them do you use? And are you thinking of adding anyone to your setup? Drop a comment below to let us know. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notification so you get notified when we post our next video.